to our channel. Today we're going to do a sandcastle tip of the day. Today's sandcastle tip of the day is how to work with formwork. And we have a little collection here in our backyard. We're going to assemble it and build our next sculpture, and we're going to show you how to work with formwork as part of that process for today's tip of the day. Let's get right to it. Here the forms are loosely assembled, and then I'm going to screw them together. The most important thing about these forms is they have what we call an outie and an innie piece. And this would be an outie piece. It's attached to the plywood at the very outside edge. And right next to it is an innie piece. And this is 1.5 inches to allow this to pass over this. And essentially every one of these pieces of formwork has one outie and one innie so that they're interchangeable. That's the secret in building these forms. So these are all screwed together. We like to use 3/4 inch plywood, something heavy so that they actually last. These forms are old. They're probably 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, they're probably 12, 15 years old, some of them. We use duplex nails to attach these, put them together. And we need 2 or 3 nails per corner. And that's what holds these together. And the duplex nails can be yanked out with a crowbar when it's time to disassemble this thing. We're driving a minimum of 2 nails per connection. Bye, Santa. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next Sandcastle tip of the day. We'll see you soon for the next Sandcastle tip of the day. Bye.